So, if a rider is not wearing a helmet and he gets in a motorcycle accident, can his insurance company deny covering his bills, medical bills, on the ground that he wasn't wearing a helmet?
This question, believe it or not, is asked a lot, and there's this rumor going around that I hear people telling me that your health insurance, and you're talking about health insurance, right?
Yeah, health insurance.
Okay. Your health insurance has to cover you whether you wear a helmet or not. There's nothing in a policy I've ever seen, and if there was, there would be something contrary to the law that said you can't have an exclusion such as that. Then we could have situations where people have to wear gloves or padded clothing in a car or God knows what else. No. And there's also a rumor that I've tried to quash that if you're drunk, impaired, drugs, what have you, your liability insurance won't cover what you've done, or your health insurance won't cover your bills if you're hurt. That's not true either. So, I mean, I've got my own opinions on wearing a helmet, and nowadays with the amount of head injuries that I've seen or deaths that I've seen from just a slight head injury, you're of the opinion that how in God's name could this person have had a head injury by lightly tapping the ground with their head, because they literally fell over at a dead stop and hit their head on the ground. Could they end up dying? But, helmets they will help you. I hear often enough that, had I a helmet on, I would have broke my neck. Well, unless I see a study where somebody shows me that's true, I don't believe that. Having raced motorcycles for almost 50 years and always wearing a helmet when I'm on my dirt bike, and how many times I hit my head, I can tell you for sure that I never got a concussion and never had a head injury, and they were full face helmets, or had an injury to my face. I had injuries to everything else on my body, but wearing a helmet is a safe thing. Not to mention the fact, and I'm not advocating this, but if you end up in a photo radar situation and you have a helmet on and they can't identify, they being the court or the police can't identify your face, then you don't get the ticket. So it's got a plus side to it. I'm not telling you to go out and race stoplights and burn through them or speed intentionally, but without a picture of your face, you can't be prosecuted or cited for those kinds of radar offenses. Hope that answers your question.
Thank you, it does.
This posted video is in no way specific legal advice on any subject. It is intended to provide general information for the public. If you need specific legal advice, call Chuck at 480-545-0700.